Hello mga ka-buy and sell. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan ka boss. Please subscribe for more updates po. 2024 model Ford Ranger Wildtrak. 2-liter turbo diesel engine. Automatic transmission. 14,000 kilometers mileage. First owned. Well-maintained. Plate ending 4. Under dealer warranty. Infotainment display. Parking brake. Push start. Cruise control. Reverse camera and sensors. Leather seats. Top-up cover. Complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price. 1,398,000 pesos. Slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment. 445,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2023) model Hyundai Staria Premium, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 17,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, cruise control, perimeter sensors, leather interior, panoramic sunroof, captain seats, heated at cooling seats, steering wheel control, touchscreen head unit, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 2,558,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 571,000 plus pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2022) model Kia Sorento SX, 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 17,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, full CASA records, CASA warranty until 27, plate ending 6, 360 camera, push start, infotainment system, power tailgate, parking brake, power seats, leather seats, seat warmer and cooler, cruise control, reverse camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 2,178,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 469,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2024) model Toyota Corolla Cross GRS, hybrid electric vehicle, 1.8-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 3,000 kilometers mileage, First own, well-maintained, Casa records, plate ending 7, push start, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, multimedia controls, touchscreen monitor, cruise control, power tailgate, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,758,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 395,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2013) model Hyundai Accent, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, manual transmission, 39,000 kilometers mileage, first own, well-maintained, fuel-efficient, touchscreen radio, central locking system, side visor, reverse camera, all stock, all original, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 338,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 79,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2016) model Ford EcoSport Titanium, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 62,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 8, push-button start, panoramic sunroof, touchscreen head unit, steering wheel controls, reverse sensors, leather seats, spare key fob, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 458,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 79,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Naway nabigyan kayo ng idea sa iyong dream car. Visit our website for more car sale.